In this second workshop, we'll delve deeper into the strategies for communicating clear expectations with your student employees, how to develop a training plan with transparent expectation criteria, and a framework for providing specific and actionable feedback. And lastly, we hope to provide you with a simple method to sort of assess the impact of these strategies on your working relationship with your student employees. I just want to note that in the last workshop, we covered quite a lot of information for those of you who came to the other one. And we realized from our own experiences and from hearing feedback from many of you that there should be more time for participants to participate and actively work on think about these tools, discuss them with other people. So just to let you know, we're dedicating significantly more time to do that today. And hopefully you'll give us your feedback on that. So again, in workshop 1, when we're talking about that very first responsibility around setting expectations and taking a baseline, we shared this tell no checklist that really outlines the information that maybe ideally is shared between supervisors and employees in the first month or so of working together. On the left-hand side is the tell side, is a checklist of information that you can, that hopefully will help your student employee gain a clear understanding of what's expected of them, of their performance and conduct in their new role. And on the no side, this covers a list of information that hopefully you as the supervisor would be able to gather and obtain to help you obtain understanding of your new employees' baseline knowledge, their skills and abilities. We do recognize there's a lot on this list, and it may appear potentially daunting at first, but we hope that we're going to be a little bit of time to look through this list and think about how covering this checklist between you and your student employee can really help you communicate and establish a strong working relationship with them, and think of ways in which you can begin to be more efficient in covering aspects of this list in the future as you go forward. Many of the items, especially on the tell side, the left-hand side of the list, can be developed into really simple resources that could probably be used over and over again, such as Word documents or short videos, especially for if you're having a student employee in a similar position time and again, or doing similar job tasks semester after semester. So getting people sort of onboarded faster. While the no side on the right-hand side really can be covered in a series of short conversations, either verbally or with electronic communications.